So I got this nice Yoshimura exhaust, the full exhaust, on my 2015 DRZ 400 SM, converted into an ADV bike, as you can see. And this thing, even though the performance is crispy, you know, at highway and at speed, not the drone, but the noise level gets a little up there. And it had this little ring in there which reduced the outlet size, which made a little bit of a difference, but you know, it still was a little loud. And yes, I repacked it and still wasn't really down there. So I took the original header, cut her up, put some holes in it, polished it up, opened up this ring a little bit, and it's snug. It's not bolted, it's somewhat pressed on there. And it makes a pretty big difference as far as decibels. Doesn't really take the tone out, the way the exhaust sounds. See how it's just thumps? Check this out. And it still sounds pretty good. Versus and of course, I'm going to press it all the way in. This stays out about this far, but of course this goes all the way in. And I bolt it up. But yeah, not bad for using something that I was just going to throw away. Have a good day.